Ah, God, stop it! Ah, I gotta lose my face! Ah, God, stop!
Why isn't he breathing?
Well, I was watching out at their house the other day, and they used like shocky things to wake him up.
Well, we don't have a defibrillator. What are we gonna use?
I got this.
Alright, let's go.
Maybe I should just carry him.
Alright.
Let's go.
Let's move it. 1, 2, 3.
What the hell?
Holy crap! He's alive!
Go, go, go.
Holy crap! Holy crap! Holy crap!
Alright, we're good. Stop recording.
Matt! Did you stop yet? Matt, shut off! Let's just carry him. That is fine.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, damn, you should have zipped this fly before we should have.
Go down. Just.
Here, I got an idea.
What? Some kind of box.
A little jigsaw mask on. Nobody will look at this.
This. That over.
Now it looks like a flower.
Oh.
Nobody's gonna harm a flower. It's just like a little flower.
Let's go. Nice night.
Sorry.
Yep. Are you gay?
Well, yeah.
Ooh.
Holy crap! Holy crap!
What should I do? Get gum? Uh-oh.
Pause. Oh God! Oh God, dead leg! Ah, stop it! Ah!
He's dead.
Oh my god, Matt, that's not what you're supposed to say! Was it? Maybe it's just like carrying or something.
Well, yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Oh god! You stepped on my hair!
What the hell? He's alive.
You really stepped on it! Yeah! Holy crap! Ow! Ow!
Matt,
Of course there has to be a root here.